Hi my friends, it's James here with Dreamscapes. What a beautiful backyard paradise. And the best way to take a paradise to the next level is with a Dreamscape Pondless Waterfall. Look how lush and gorgeous this looks. And we're just at the end of 4 months of cold, frosty weather. Wait till the spring plants grow in here. It's going to be amazing. The water's so crystal clear for a reason. We put in an automatic dosing system that puts bacteria into the pit automatically, but we also put in a circulation pump and an aerator. An aerator puts in little oxygen bubbles that bubble up. The circulation pump and aerator only turn on when my clients turn off the water feature at night when they don't want to run it. So they told me clearly that they wanted to be able to turn their Pondless Waterfall on and off. We call this Crane Mountain. So now they can turn it off and have water that is still circulating and therefore clean. Can't wait to share videos of this beautiful dreamscape as it blooms out this spring. It's amazing. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.